Hi guys, welcome to Kenneth Choo TV, and in this video I'm going to share with you the tool that helped me to write better copies and grow my business. Hi everyone, my name is Kenneth Choo. I've been running a digital marketing agency for the past 6 years, and recently I stumbled upon Javis, which is an AI copywriting tool that have helped me tremendously in the past 2 weeks in my business. And I got to know about this tool from a copywriter friend. She has been using this to help her to produce more content for her clients in her public relation company. And this tool, it has generated a lot of content, and frankly speaking, have generated over 80,000 words for me in the past 2 weeks. And I'm going to share with you this tool that will help entrepreneurs, marketers, and agency. And this is none other than Javis. So this is the dashboard of Javis. So what I like about it, and before I show you the different templates, let me just share with you how much I've generated in the past 2 weeks. So this is where you can see how much words I've generated so far in the past few days. All right. Okay, past 1 week. So there was a time that just one day I've generated about 12,000 words. And since creation, which is about 2 weeks ago, I've generated up to 94,408 words. Wow. That is equivalent to 4 copies of my book, because each book contains about 19,000 words. All right. So, as I shared in my previous video, where you can watch it over here, you can check out what is Javis all about and what are the different plans of Javis over here. All right. So currently now I'm on boss mode. So over here, you can have your workspace, you can put in your company, you can get your server SEO, you can set it up over here and personal your password, and you can even share it with your teammates. So currently on boss plan, you can only choose one user, which is me, myself. All right. So let me just bring you guys to the dashboard. So this is how it looks like in the dashboard. So these are my favorite templates where you can choose from. And this is just to let me know how many words I've generated. And recently they have just came out with this swag, meaning the products in Javis, which I will share with you later on. This is something that is very, very interesting. Okay, so if you guys like to give Javis a try, all you can do is there will be my referral link in the description. You guys can go and click it, and you will get additional 10,000 words, which is very, very useful. So if you guys are starting out the plan, you just want to give it a shot, you can start with the starter plan, which is the lowest, and there's a 7 days money back guarantee. If you don't like it, you can just email Javis team and let them know that it's not suitable for you, you don't like it, and get a refund from that. All right, so you can, and if you use the referral link, for me, I'm on boss plan, it's on unlimited words. So it does not matter whether I get this additional 10,000 words or credits. So, but most importantly is you get additional 10,000 words when you sign up with this referral link. Because if you start with a starter plan, which I recommend you on a starter plan with 20,000 words, is good enough for you to play around with it, to test around with it, with using all the 50 templates, which I'm going to show it to you now. So and also over here at the community, you can just go straight to the Facebook community where they have 30,000 over experts that is in there. So I'm inside there, and it has been a really, really engaging, and there's a lot of very inspiring writers inside. They are testing out Javis. They are using Javis to generate a lot of content for their business or even for their client's business. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the templates. Okay, so as you can see over here, these are all my favorite templates. So there's long form, which is only for pro plan and also for boss mode. So my favorite would be all this, like the poll question. I use it very often for my LinkedIn, for my poll, because in LinkedIn, polling does generate a lot of traffic. So feature to benefit, this is more for e-commerce or product-based business. Bio, I've changed all my bios. I get Javis to rewrite all my personal bio, my speaker bio, my company bio at the same time, and I use Javis a lot for my email listing, my email blast, my EDM, and I come out with a lot of amazing email subject lines. And for my daily posts, I use this for Instagram, for basically all social media content. If you run Facebook ads, I use this for my clients where I run Facebook ads for them. I love to create blogs because Javis has helped me generate a lot of blog content. So I use a lot of the blog conclusion paragraph. I use this to generate a lot of ideas for my blogs, for my target audience, and also a blog post outline, so you know that what you're going to talk about in the whole blog. And the most important thing is also how to introduce this blog to your user. So I use a lot of content improver because I used to generate a lot of other contents, but now I use it to improve on it because Javis can create more interesting, creative, and engaging content. And sometimes it just amazes me. So this AIDA, which is very common to copywriters, they will often use this AIDA framework. So yeah. And these are the various tools. There's a lot of tools over here, a lot of templates that you can use. Frankly speaking, I've tested out. Why? Because there's a Javis certification bootcamp, which will get you certified, and you have to use all these 50 plus templates. Okay, so this is the template, and I hope you guys like what it is. So let me just show you one example, my favorite post, which is this poll question. Okay, so for example, you if like for my own target audience, they are entrepreneurs, they are marketers, or even they are mompreneurs. So let's see, why should parents be entrepreneurs? Okay, so the topic about this, and my audience, let's say I put it as parents, because for me, I advocate strongly about why parents should be entrepreneurs, so that they can craft a better future for their children. So as of now, I just leave the tone of voice as blank to show you the differences when you use different tone. So okay, so now you can see I can generate content and just count how fast it is. Okay, I will count together with you guys. Okay, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. It's less than 5 seconds, and Javis had generated these questions. All right, so like with my topic and my audience, it generated, do you think that being an entrepreneur is a necessity for parents? So this is like a question that I can post it out to have engagement in LinkedIn or any poll description, poll question that I'm generating. And the second question will be, is entrepreneurship a good idea for parents with young kids? So they come out with the answer at the same time, so I can post it out. And do you think that parents should be entrepreneurs? Yes or no? So this is very similar to what I am. But if let's say to make it more creative or more resonate with me, what I will do, I can just copy this into a Word document, and I can use this, or I can copy directly to LinkedIn poll or even Instagram post. I can use it immediately. So this is how fast and how Javis can craft out. Okay, so this is just one of my favorite templates that I love to use. So let's go back to my templates. Okay, so let's say for email subject lines, this is something that I love also. So we can use the same topic as, okay, so let's say company product. Let's say I use my name because I'm the one promoting. And then let's say the tone of voice, I leave it blank. So let's say if the email is, why should parents be entrepreneurs? Okay, so I will use this to generate, and let's see how fast can Javis generate this content. All right, okay, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So it's about 4 seconds that it generated all this content. So over here, I put it out as 10 outputs. So it gave me 10 different subject lines. For example, like this is entrepreneurial mindset, which is good. Entrepreneurial parent, oh, I like this. And I know you're busy, but I have 1 minute for your thoughts. So what do you know about entrepreneurship that your kids don't? A question for parents. You make me so proud. Parents, it's your turn. Okay, so all this, in fact, I could just copy and just paste it somewhere in my Word document that I can use it, I can generate out. So, so for example, if let's say today now, let's say if you know Gary Vaynerchuk, so let's use Gary Vaynerchuk. Okay, let's see what is the subject headlines that will come out with. Okay, so instead of putting 10, let's do it with 3. Okay, so you can see the difference. So let's see what does it generate. Okay, so you have generated out 2 content. Okay, so Gary, if you use Gary Vaynerchuk's voice, it will generate entrepreneurs for the next generation. Wow, this is something that is really up my alley. I hate when I have to pick up. So pick up what? So this is very, very interesting because these are what you call entrepreneurial pain points. All right, so I hate it when I have to pick up. Okay, so if I want to change the voice, this is to show you the tone of voice will change the output. All right, so let's say Tony Robbins. Okay, how would Tony Robbins talk about this? Why should parents be entrepreneurs? Okay, so let's generate out and see what does it, what's the output. Wow, the 3 secrets to parenting. The best way to get rich. I want to be a parent entrepreneur. Wow, I like this from Tony because it's very inspiring, very motivating. So let's say we try one more. One lady, which is Oprah Winfrey. Okay, and let's hear and let's see what Oprah Winfrey will say. Okay, so Oprah will say, are you sacrificing the most important thing in your life? What if? Congratulations, you are an entrepreneur. So personally, I feel that this will be one. So I will use this. All right. So this is the templates. So I've shown you how it looks like on the dashboard and how much words I've generated in the past 2 weeks. At the same time, I also show you the 50 over templates that you can use. I also share with you 3 of my favorite templates that I've used to generate content within like 4 to 5 seconds immediately. It just helped me to save so much time to really brainstorm or to come up with ideas. Javis has been a great assistant for me. Javis is not really to replace my writing, but to help me to speed up my thought process, to speed up the content that I'm producing out so that I can reach out to my target audience faster and more efficiently. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for my future video, because I will be doing more of this videos that I will be sharing with you what are the tools that entrepreneurs should use and what are the tips, strategies, and maybe advice or suggestion for entrepreneurs. So I'm Kenneth Choo here. I thank you guys for watching Kenneth Choo TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys. Bye.